Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Tuesday, March the 11th. I've got 5 great press releases for you, 2 stock halts, and 1 pretty profound piece of news out of Eric Sprott, chairman and founder of Sprott Asset Management, that's calling for $2,000 gold. So we got a pretty full show. But before I get to that, I want to wish a happy birthday to my niece Maria in Washington. Happy birthday to you. I wanted to get that off at the start because it's going to be a long show. So let's get straight to the news. First off, Touchstone Software trades in the U.S. under the stock symbol TSSW. They're reporting full year 2007 revenue of $4.3 million and earnings per share of 16 cents per share. Now, net earnings were actually $925,000 or 8 cents a share, but that excluded the positive impact of a $1 million reversal of the company's deferred tax valuation allowance. When you include that one-time item, it does take earnings per share up to 16 cents. I prefer to look at the 8 cents per share, actually, unless they expect that one-time item to occur over and over again. Nonetheless, a good number out of them. Some other highlights here. This is their 9th consecutive quarter of positive of profitability. They ended the quarter with cash and cash equivalents of $1.8 million. Total page views across their entire network exceeded 87 million pages for the 3 months ended December 31st, averaging about 29 million pages a month, and that resulted in about 8 million unique visitors in over those 3 months. The company closed yesterday at $1.10. This off their 52-week high of $2.44. So maybe with these numbers, it's a good entry point. As always, do your own due diligence. Next up, Optimal Geomatics trades on the venture exchange out of the stock symbol OPG. They put out their first quarter financials for the quarter ended January 31st. Revenue, $3.7 million, only up 1%, but the following is what I like. Operating loss was $270,000 compared to an operating loss of $730,000 for the same quarter last year. I'd like to see that. Net loss also just $45,000 compared to the net loss of $532,000 for the same quarter last year. So what I like here, strong revenues, $3.7 million for a quarter, and net loss way down. That tells me the company's getting way more efficient. They closed yesterday at 7 cents. Next up, switching over to some resources news, Hawthorne Gold trades on the venture under HGC, along with Eureka Resources that trades there under EUK. They announced that drill results confirm bulk tonnage opportunity at Fraser Gold. This is at located in the Caribou Gold District of central BC, which is accessible by both highway and logging roads year-round. So to try and tell you, definitely close to infrastructure. These are results from a 16-hole drill program, just over 3,600 meters. Here are some of the highlights here. Hole 07-298, 43.7 meters, averaging 1 gram per ton of gold. 07-297, 28.4 meters, averaging 1.06 grams per ton. 07-300, just over 30 meters, 1.11 grams per ton. And 07-295, 24.4 meters, averaging 1.05 grams per ton. Significantly more news in tables below in their press release. Go take a look at it. But they are comparing the potential Fraser Gold mining operation to Kinross's Paracatu gold mine in Brazil and the Fort Knox gold mine in Alaska, both being low-grade, open-pit, bulk tonnage operations. Michael Redfern, Vice President of Operations, Hawthorne, the Fraser Gold property hosts the potential for significant gold resource. The current program is confirming mineralization and gold distribution within the main zone that has close similarities to the Paracatu gold deposit. Also, John J. O'Neill, CEO and President of Eureka, stated, the drill results further confirm our historic finding and makes me all the more optimistic about the future of the Fraser Gold project. Hawthorne closed yesterday at 226. That's just off their high of 240. And Eureka at 70, just off their high of 88. So obviously they're trending near the top end of their 52-week trading range. With news like that, not a surprise. Over to Diamonds North Resources, trades on the venture under DDN. And congratulations to our friends Nancy Curry and Mark Kolibaba over there. They announced diamond results for Kavik 5 and 6. This at their 100% owned Amarik property in Nunavut. They're announcing favorable diamond counts. Specifically, 130 diamonds have been recovered from 103.4 kilograms at Kavik 5, and 118 diamonds were recovered from a 108 kilogram sample at Kavik 6. The company views these results as a very significant. Diamond counts demand follow-up drilling with a core drill to further value the economic potential of these kimberlites. So far, Diamonds North has discovered 22 kimberlites to date on the Amaroq property. Diamond results have reported 14 of the kimberlites with more than 85% being diamondiferous and 50% exhibiting encouraging diamond counts that require follow-up exploration. Amaroq, according to the company, is one of Canada's most prospective diamond projects. Closed at 86 cents. That's way off their 52-week high of 207. So maybe based on the numbers that they keep putting out, this may be an entry point. As always, do your own due diligence. But Diamonds North is definitely making repeat performances here, so we know they're coming out with good news.